is Maya Nicole, and I am getting ready to show you guys exactly how to get this makeup look right here. And I use the new Jaclyn Hill Vault palette, specifically the Bling Boss palette. Yes, and it's amazing. However, before, during, or even after, I of course want you guys to all subscribe to my channel, pretty please. And also, if you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up so I will continue to know what videos you guys like, and I will of course continue to bring them to y'all. But stay tuned, y'all. I'm getting ready to show you how to get this look right here. Got these eyebrows on, and now I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin using the MAC Fix Plus. And to control this oil throughout the day, I love taking my IT Cosmetics and placing this only on my T-zone. Using my Morphe Y6, I'm going to be applying my all-time favorite foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. Next up is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm simply going to be applying this under my eyes, as well as the bridge of my nose and my chin as well. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be taking my beauty blender, and I'm going to be using back and forth motions to make sure everything is blended well. To set my concealer in place, I'll be taking my Morphe sponge and applying my Ben Nye powder. After baking for about 3 minutes, I am now going to be taking my Morphe E49 and simply dusting away all of my powder. Using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, I'm going to be using this to bronze up my skin. To add some color, I'm going to be using my MAC blush and applying this right above where I place my bronzer. And one blush is never enough, so I'll be taking NARS Taj Mahal and applying this to the apples of my cheeks, my nose, forehead, and chin. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, I'll be taking the color Tourmaline to highlight my skin. Okay, I see you highlight. Priming the lids, I'll be using my absolute favorite Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance. Now to use the star of the show, my Bling Boss palette. Starting off with my first color, Hush Hush, I'm going to be taking my Sigma E40 and applying this to my lid as my transition color. Next up, I'm going to be taking the color Rockstar on an R39 Morphe brush, and I'm going to be applying this color to the outer corner of my lid. I'm also going to be taking this color in the inner corner of my eye and blending it, and once it is all blended, I will be connecting it to make it a halo eye. Taking my Sigma E40 again, and I'm just going to make sure everything is well blended. Using the color Pizzazz, I'm going to be taking this on a MAC 242 and applying this to the center of my lid to make this look pop. Using Sparks on a Morphe R39, I'm going to be bringing all the colors together and blending this on the outer portion of my eyeshadow. Going into the color Mystic, I am taking my oh so handy R39 Morphe brush and applying this to the inner and outer corners to darken the eye. To highlight the center of the lid, I will be taking Bling Bling and applying this with my MAC 242. However, I'm also going to see how this color does when I apply it with just my fingertips. Using the Morphe M432, I'll be going back into the colors Rockstar and Sparks and blending my lower lash line. To finish off this look, I'll be going into the color Glitz and Glam and highlighting my inner corners. And of course, no look is absolutely complete without lips, so I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in the color Plum to outline my lips. And for my lipstick, I'll be using the MAC Viva Glam 2.